In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variable font weights in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the controls and how to fine-tune the weight of your text for cleaner hierarchy and better typography. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in the dashboard, open the area that shows all of your work so you can see every file in your workspace. This makes it easy to find the project you want to edit. Click into the project you'd like to work on to open it on the canvas. Next, select the piece of text you want to adjust. You can click directly on the text layer on the canvas or pick it from the Layers panel. Make sure the text layer is active so the text properties appear in the right-hand sidebar. Look to the right side of your screen in the Design panel. You'll see the text section with options like font family, size, line height, and letter spacing. Right next to the font name, there's a control for font weight. It might currently say something like regular, medium, or bold. Click that drop-down to reveal all available weights. If the font you're using supports it, you'll see an option for variable font axes. Click that. Variable fonts pack multiple styles into a single file and expose sliders, like weight, that let you move smoothly between values instead of jumping from regular to bold. If you don't see the variable option, your selected font likely isn't variable. In that case, switch to a variable-enabled typeface to access these controls. With variable font axes open, adjust the weight setting. This often ranges from thin to black, typically represented by numbers like 100 to 900. Drag the slider to find the exact thickness you want, and watch the text update live on the canvas. Use lighter weights for subtle, longer passages and heavier weights to create emphasis for headings. Aim for clear contrast so your hierarchy reads at a glance without looking overly heavy. As you fine-tune, keep readability and accessibility in mind. Heavier weights improve visibility at small sizes, while lighter weights can feel elegant but may need larger sizes or higher contrast backgrounds. If you're aligning multiple text elements, try matching or stepping your weight values consistently to keep your design cohesive. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select your text, use the font weight drop-down, choose variable font axes, and adjust the weight to your precise needs. Practice a few combinations across headings and body copy to build a balanced system. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Figma.